welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Lara from larasvegankitchen.com and I'm here to inspire you to get creative in your kitchen. So that's why I'm sharing every Monday a new easy vegan recipe, and you can find the link to the full recipe in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Now I'm going to show you how to make an easy vegan chipotle mushroom salad. It's easy, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's healthy, and it's super delicious. So let's go cooking. So first we start with the mushrooms and heat up a big pan. Then I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I cut all the mushrooms in usually quarters or 6 pieces, depending on the size of the mushroom, so they all have similar size. The oil is heating up and I'm going to put all the mushrooms inside. So now all the excess water is released and I'm adding a little bit more olive oil because we want the mushrooms to be really crunchy and brown, to have the best flavor they can have. This kind of color we want, really nice and brown. And in order to really smooth flavor, I'm adding some cracked black pepper. Oh, if you could smell that right now, it's really delicious. And some Himalayan salt, and now I'm going to add the onions. So now the onions start to brown nicely, and I'm even giving a little bit extra to get more flavor, and I'm adding the garlic. And now I'm going to stir it till the garlic gets slightly brown. So now everything is nicely brown and fried up. The garlic is brownish as well, so it's perfect. And I'm going to add the chipotle sauce. Just a little bit. And give it a good stir. So first I'm going to start to toss the spinach with some balsamic vinegar, just a little bit. Gives it a nice sweetness to it, and some olive oil, some pepper and salt, and give it a quick stir, just so all the leaves are coated. And then I'm going to put it into my bowl. Very nice. And I prepared some creamy avocado. I'm putting it on the side. And then our mushrooms. I'm just putting them right in the middle. The mushroom looked quite a lot in the beginning, but as you see now after the frying, they're actually not that much anymore. And then I'm putting some more cracked pepper on top and some fresh herbs, and lunch is ready. So as I said, it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free, and it's delicious. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to know when my video is up next Monday. I hope I could inspire you to go cooking, and let me know in the comments below how your dish turned out and what you want to see next. Happy cooking, everyone!